Alright, hi guys, I am back on another video for myself, and yeah, I hope you guys like my video. So some will be helpful, but some would be for my personal stories if you guys would like it, so please watch. Thank you. Alright, so hi guys, so for today I'm going to teach you how to make a one by one photo ID. So sorry that I cannot make a screen recording out here for the laptop, but yeah, I will teach you later on for you to clearly see it by using a screen recording. So for now, let's take a video for this one, and I am using a app called Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. So if you have that app, you can download that one and install it in your computer and in your laptop. That will be okay. So the picture that I'm going to use for the tutorial is my photo. So that's it, and all I need to do is that I have to crop it to its size already, because the background is already white. It's already been changed. Okay. I'm sorry. So let's go to the crop button. So this is the crop tool right there. So there, width is 1 by height is also 1, because we are using 1 by 1. Okay. Alright, so let's crop it. Okay. Alright, let's crop it to its normal size. Okay, so that is below my shoulder. Okay, so let's press quick solution tool and then press crop. Okay. Alright, so that is already fine. Alright, so right now we are going to add a new layer so that we can print this one. So this one is okay, but we are going to go to image first, go to image size. This one is correct, 1 by 1. So the resolution, that will be 300. Okay, so just press okay. Alright, great. Alright, so that's it. So we just have to click, which means we are going to already print this one. That is pixels, so let's change it into inches. And for the width is and for the width is 5 by 7, because I have 5 by 7 size of photo paper in here. And the resolution is 300. The color profile is SR, this one, square pixels, and let's press OK. There we go. So just have to drag this one to here so that we can print. Okay, so in your keyboard, just press Ctrl A and Ctrl C for copy and paste. Then in here, just have Ctrl V. It's okay, wherever it is needed. Okay, so here we go, our 1 by 1. So in order for you to drag that one, there is this tool, this one. Okay, drag it. Okay, alright, another Ctrl V, press OK, press OK again. Okay, there we go. And if you want many 1 by 1 to print, then you can just keep on doing that. So I have two 1 by 1 pictures here, so I can print that one whatever I like. So you can save that one so that you cannot have to make it again. So yeah, it's very easy and simple. So I hope you guys understood and already learned how to make a 1 by 1 photo. It's just simple. Alright, so thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Once again, this is May, and I hope you will have a great day ahead.